What's happening, guys? It's Dan from General Tech HQ here, and today I wanted to make a video to make you aware of the differences between the genuine and fake Apple EarPods. Now, believe it or not, but these EarPods right here are the fake or replica or whatever you want to call them, and as you can see, they are very, very well replicated. You've even got the Apple symbol on the back. Ever since Apple released these EarPods, which was alongside the iPhone 5 around this time last year, they have been really popular, not only because of the great quality of sound, but because of their comfort. And the reason for making this video is because I've already seen an increasing number of fakes on the internet, especially eBay and sometimes even Amazon. But here is a page on eBay. I just typed in EarPods. The first result is genuine Apple EarPods, and they are for £6. And really the real ones are £25. So there's something not right there. There's also another one down here which is in different colours, and Apple don't even ship these, so these are clearly fake. So this video is really just to help you on staying away from these fakes and trying to help you decide whether your EarPods are fake or not. Really, the best thing to do, if you can afford it, is just go to Apple and buy them, because then you know they're definitely going to be real. Okay, so let's get straight into the comparison. When it comes to looking at the box to determine whether your EarPods are fake or not, or the ones you're going to buy are fake or not, really you can't tell because the box would be so easy to replicate by the manufacturers. Obviously, if it doesn't have the Apple logo on it, then that's a pretty big giveaway straight away. But yeah, in terms of the box, they're usually going to be quite similar. So now on to the important part of the video, which is of course comparing the EarPods themselves. Now here we have the real version and here the fake, and they are stretched out at equal lengths, and you can see here that they are really about the same length, so you can't really tell whether they're real or fake depending on their size.
Here we have an up-close HD look at the real and fake EarPods, the actual buds themselves. Now you can see the one on the left, which is the fake one, this has actually 3 different parts that it's made from. You can see a line running down the middle just here. However, the real one on the right hand side just has 2 parts, which is that main part at the top and then one stick going down. Obviously, this design fault by the fake manufacturers probably made it cheaper for them to make. Now, moving down the EarPods, we now have the microphone and the controls where you can control the volume and pause the song you're listening to, or answer a call, and there's also a microphone in this section, so it is quite important. Now on the left we have our fakes and the right the real ones, and really the major difference here that I can see is the colour of the plus and minus buttons. On the genuine ones it is kind of a more faded grey, more like Apple you could argue, and on the left with the fake ones it's more of a darker black.
Now a really big giveaway between real and fake is around the bottom of the EarPods near the headphone jack, and down here it says designed by Apple in California on the real ones, as you can see in that picture, and on the fake ones it says nothing. So this is probably the biggest giveaway. So the next thing really isn't an aesthetics thing, but more of a functional. So you see up here I've already explained about the microphone and the control you can have with these EarPods. Now on the real ones, when you press it, it will start to play a song or pause the song you're doing. You can also control the volume through this. So first of all, these are the actual real ones, so I'm just going to show you how it works properly. So here's a Jay-Z track, and when I press pause, you can see there that the pause button turns into a play button, so that does work. Then when I press the plus volume, you can see the volume going up. So as you'd expect, the genuine Apple EarPods do work and control my iPhone successfully. Then obviously what you want to do next is change it to the fake ones. And you put that in, and then you can check if that control works. And it does. And then we can test the volume as well. And that also works, and this is very surprising because you think this is somewhere where the fake manufacturers could save some money and just make this a plastic kind of good looking thing on the EarPods. Now in some cases this will work and some cases it won't. It depends how good your fake is. And finally, the biggest probably most important giveaway is going to be the sound quality. Now, I can really say as an earpod user for the past year, the Apple earpods have a really great sound quality. The bass is very good, and the fakes, which I've just recently tried out, is not. They do not match up to the quality of the real earpods at all. So anyway guys, this video really was just to show you the differences between the real and fakes. As you can probably see, there isn't a lot. For someone that isn't really looking that closely, they really appear identical. But when you put them in your ears, you can tell which is real and which is fake. I hope this video has helped you if you were about to be scammed, possibly on eBay, and now you know that probably spending that extra $15, $20 is actually worth it to get the genuine product. Anyway guys, this is Dan from General Tech HQ. I hope you have a great day. See you later, and make sure to subscribe here for lots more Apple videos.